Hello and welcome to a new tutorial from Ludo.ai. In this tutorial, we will share with you a smart and a quick way to use our API or MCP to build games along with Cursor IDE. First, you will need to install Cursor, and you will need a Ludo.ai Pro account in order to have access to the API and MCP. Start by creating a new folder and give a name to your game that you want to develop. Then go to Ludo.ai and navigate to the API and MCP button on the corner left of the screen. Then go to Visit Integration Documentation, and then scroll all the way down to Visit API Documentation and install the swagger.json file, which includes all the endpoints information for the API. Drag and drop the file in the game folder that you created. Then open up Cursor and open the folder of your game project. Then, provided below this video, we will share a prompt, which you can use as a start. Feel free to change it. But most importantly, make sure to include your own API key in the prompt for your agent to be able to call the API and build the assets for your game. Go back to your Ludo account and generate, then copy your API key. Then, using plan mode and Cursor, send the prompt, and wait for the plan to be created. After the plan is created, you might be presented with questions on how you want your game to be. Make sure to finalize your plan, then click on Build, in order to allow the agent to start developing the assets, then your game code. Now, your agents develop the scripts which will work to generate your assets using Ludo API. Make sure to allow any command that calls the API. Then allow some time for the assets to be generated for your game. After the agent created your assets using Ludo's API, you will find the results of the assets created, like the SFX and the sprites of the game, included in your directory of the game project folder. Next, your game should be initially ready. As you can see, the character is animated well, and the environment is full setup without having to manually do any of the level design work. Let's try to iterate more on it to make it more alive. We'll try something to enhance the visual feedback of the gameplay. Finally, we have a playable game mechanic that looks neat. In this game, it's all about harvesting and planting new plants across the field, and it's more like an idle arcade gameplay. In any given case of any game you want to develop, remember that it's all about making a proper fun game using your imagination. So feel free to test and experiment with more prompts as you go, and the more you put in the effort and small details in your game, the more likely you will have more engagement in your game. Try it now using Ludo.ai.